This is TCL 40SE, and today I would like to show how you can bypass parental controls on this device. So firstly, you will need to launch the Settings app, then enter the Google category. From here, tap at the Manage Your Google Account button. Once the Google Account Management Center gets loaded, open the Data and Privacy page. Then scroll it all the way down. Go for Delete Your Google Account option. At this stage, in order to continue, we will need to input the Google Account password, so let me quickly do that off the screen. Then finish deleting your Google account. And once the account gets erased or removed, whatever, the parental controls should be already deactivated. So that's what actually leads to the deactivation of parental controls. But in some cases, it might take a few minutes for the system to acknowledge those changes and synchronize itself properly. But I can already tell that that is not my case, since as you can see there is no Google account linked anymore, and if I will open up the list of parental controls, there will be none. So basically the last thing that I need to show you is how to recover or restore the Google account so you will not lose it, and that's even a simpler procedure. Simply sign in the Google app or service with said Google account. So, and it will be recovered automatically. So this is the message you should see, which pretty much identifies that you did everything right. Now let me follow this message by inputting the account password. And more often than not, you will get the something went wrong error. That's completely fine. Just re-enter your credentials. And this second time around, it usually allows you to proceed with the login. So in my case, that is true. So let's quickly finish the sign in so I can show you that the account is active and working again, as you can see. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.